Welcome back to the channel Mr.Ram'S Tech Hub. Explore, learn, upgrade. In this video, we are going to see some simple programs. Let's get started. If anyone doesn't install the software, you just watch my video and you can install it. And let's start this. Open this ideally. Suppose I'm typing here some 10 plus some 5. Yeah, we got it 15, right? Without coding anything, we got it. మనం అసలు కోడ్ యూజ్ చేయకుండా డైరెక్ట్గా మనకు నెక్స్ట్ లైన్లోనే వచ్చేస్తుంది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుట్పుట్ అనేది. సో దీన్ని ఏమంటామంటే ఇక్కడ మనం వెన్ యూ ఆర్ రైటింగ్ ద కోడ్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఐడియల్లీ షెల్, దట్ ఈస్ ద ఇంటరాక్టివ్ మోడ్. ఓకే, ఇట్ ఇస్ నోన్ యాజ్ వాట్ ఇంటరాక్టివ్ మోడ్. ఓకే, సపోజ్ యూ కెన్ రైట్ ఎనీథింగ్, ఇట్ విల్ డైరెక్ట్లీ give the result in the next line itself, because we are using an interpreter and it is a ideally shell. This is very interactive, so the line by line it is going to execute, and we cannot write entire code in this. Okay, if you want to write code and save the code and utilize it again, we need to write in the script mode. Okay, if you are writing here, it is known as what interactive mode. For single line statements, for just to know the logics, we can write it for temporary purpose. But if you want to write it and use it again, then we have to go for the script mode. Script mode is nothing but it's just taking the new file and writing the code in that and saving that file. Okay, just go to the file, click on new file. Otherwise you just click on Ctrl plus N, it will is it enough, it opens a new file. Yeah, okay, maximize this. Now in this I'm just typing here print. Okay, here print is a function, it is output function. Whatever you want to write print in the result, we need to write in this print statement only. Okay, if you want to get some result in the output, if you want to see some result in the output, then write it in the print statement. Whatever you write in this print statement will print as it is in the output. If you are writing suppose some within the quotations, you have to write, okay, hello, I'm just writing hello Python, welcome to welcome to Mr.Ram'S Tech Hub. Now I want to, if you want to execute this code, this line, we must save this file. Okay, how to save this file? Just go to the file, click on save. Otherwise you can just directly click on Ctrl plus S. I'm just clicking on Ctrl plus S, and here I'm just giving the file name here, my first code, and save with the .py extension, .py, my first code .py, and click on save. Okay, this file is saved now. Now we need to execute this code. How to execute this code? Just click on here run, click on run module, and we have F5 here, right? Just click on F5 to is a shortcut key to run it. So I'm just clicking on F5. Okay, if you are using laptop, you can use the functional key also. Along with function key, you need to press F5. Yeah, we got the output here. Hello Python, welcome to Mr.Ram'S Tech Hub. Right? We got it. This is a place, output is what? In the ideally shell only we got the output here. Means this is a place where the output we can get. So, okay, let's see. Again, save this code. If you want to execute this again and again, we can able to execute it again. Again I'm executing, just click on run and it will going to execute. And it opens the two windows. Okay, this is a Python ideally shell and a script one. The files also will be there. To switch between the windows, we have to use the Alt tab here. Okay, to switch between the windows, we have to use Alt tab, and by using this, we can able to shift to the code and shift to the output also. Right? Okay. So I want to print something else again. Some print. Hi, how are you? Can I execute this again? And does it? Okay, I'm just executing. Okay, we got two lines here. Hello Python, welcome to Mr.Ram'S Tech Hub, and hi, how are you? Yes, clear about it? Okay, I think you got the point how to what the use of this print. Whatever you write within this print will be executed as it is. Will be printed as it is in the output. Okay, let us think. I don't want to execute this. So we require to comment. We have their comments. We have two types of comments: single line comment and multi line comments. If you want to commenting only this first line, just use as symbol in the beginning. Okay, if you want to use the comments, you just use the as symbol in the beginning. This first line is commented now. Okay, if you execute now, what is the output? We got only hi, how are you? We got only hi, how are you as the output. What about this line? It is commented, right? So if you are going to comment, the interpreter doesn't execute that commented line. So what is the use of these comments? Writing any descriptions and to write understand the code better. We can write just like a headings we use, right? Same like that we can use these comments. And if you want to write, if you want to comment multiple lines at a time, then you have to use a double triple quotes or single triple quotes. If you want to use a comment for only single line, we can use the hash symbol in the beginning. But what if you want to use the multiple lines comments? Suppose let us take some other print. Yeah, I'm fine. Yes, I'm just saving this again. Control every time you need to save this. Okay, and execute it. Yes, hi, how are you? Yeah, I'm fine. Okay, see, we got the two lines of output. Now I want to comment these two lines. Then how to comment these two lines at a time means in the position starting we just use the double triple quotes or single triple quotes, and also in the ending double triple quotes or single triple quotes. Means what you are doing, if you are using the single quotes, you have must end with the single quotes only. Okay, just save this and execute. There is nothing in the output, means everything is commented here, right? There is empty space here. So if you want to use, let's see with the help of double triple quotes also. Yes, save the code, again run it. Yes, we got the same output. Means we can use this double triple quotes or single triple quotes. We can use anything. Now let us see to perform addition of two numbers. I want to add two numbers and print it. How to do that? I require some value, some variable to store some values, right? Suppose I am taking n1 that is equals to some 25 and n2 that is equals to some 65. I want to add these two numbers. How to add these two numbers and print in the output? No, simple, just go with print n1 plus n2. Save this and execute it again. The output is we got it, output 90. Right? Clear about it. So same way I want to perform some subtraction also. Print n1, suppose I want to subtract with some n2 minus n1. Save it, execute it. Yes, we got it 40, right? And let's see one more, print some, I want to perform directly. I'm directly giving here 2 into 3. Does it okay? Well, let's see, can we give this? Yeah, let's check. Oh yes, we can do this. Means we can directly give the values also in this. You can store it and you can print it. Otherwise, you can directly pass the values also here. Okay. Okay, can I do this division? Yes. Print some text by 2. That's fine. We are getting it right. Clear. Now I want to print these square of a number. I want to take one number and I want to print the square of a number. How to print the square of a number? Square of a number. Let us take one number. Some num equals to. Okay, what the number you want? Yes, I'm just taking one random number 5. Okay. Print. How to print the square? Okay. Square means some 5 into 5 it means the square of it, right? So can we do this num into and num? Yes, it is going to print the square, right? Yeah. Instead of using this, we have one other operator as well. Okay, that is known as an exponential operator will be there using the double asterisk. And if you want to do the square, you can use the 2, means n power 2. Okay, if you are using the double asterisk symbol, this is asterisk symbol. If you are using double asterisk symbol, it is power 2. So let's see. Yes, same output, right? We got it here. I want to perform the cube also. How to perform the cube? Just simple print for the same number num double asterisk 3. It's fine. Execute it. Yeah, we got it. 125. 5 cube is what? 125. Rest. So like this, we can able to print the squares of a number and cube of a number, and we can perform arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, right? And we also have this, if you observe it carefully, for this print 10 by 2, we got here 5.0. Okay, in decimal we got this. If you don't want to get in the decimal value, we can use the floor division. Means like this, you can see 10 double slash, means double slash we have to use 2. It is known as what? A floor division. If you are using double slash is what? Floor division. It will print without the decimal values. See here, you can observe here. This is what with the decimal and this is what without decimal we got it. Okay, this is what division, this is what floor division. Clear about it? Okay, let's see some other programming things in the next part. Okay, until then, keep learning.